Alright, we're demonstrating the new PRR 40 and 41 die set used for solid rivets that are typically used along the bottom rail on vehicles, and had been that you would need to use an air hammer and bucking bar to install these. So we have the one on the forming side and the head side. The forming side is going to be installed on the fixed part of the arm, and we will use the extension. So I'll screw the extension in, like so, and install that here. Okay, make sure it's tight. And then this is the head side that's going to go on the moving side. Install that here. Like so. Okay, and then here would be the pre-made hole for your solid rivet. Put the solid rivet in a hole, and that's going to line up to the head side here. And then we're going to do the forming operation. So just like that, we've got the head and a nice dome formed on the other side.